Hello everyone, it's nice to see you guys again. Here's Zoe, Overseas Operation Manager from Bytom. Today is our AMA session 2, and I'm going to introduce a detailed model of how to build the apps on Bytom and how to use Bytom smart contract structures. But before we start with that, I still want to introduce the Bytom Development Challenge again. This time we're holding the Bytom Development Challenges facing to all Bytom developer communities. As we all know that blockchain application is relatively difficult for all public chain projects. And we hope when more developers can join Bytom developer community to contribute and build more apps on Bytom and really use Bytom and promote Bytom to all over the world. And here are some thoughts we gave to developers, so you can refer to. The first one is a DID system, and the second one, like you can use Bytom to build business credit, and you can also use it for business audit. And really popular use of applications on chain is data storing, and this part we're gonna to more later on. And another part is land registration and transfer. And you can also use Bytom for payment gateway and also public welfare crowdfunding and decentralized exchange. Here's a detailed case. It's a bond system based on Bytom. As we all know that the bond is a securities issued by depositors such as a government, a company, or a bank to respond in accordance with legal procedures and promise to repay the principals and interest on the specific date. Bytom is a blockchain project that has attracted much attention worldwide. It's a decentralized platform based on cryptography and P2P communication technology. All transaction information is stored in each node block, and the block is extremely directionally connected and effectively guarantees that the transaction cannot be tampered with. It is a public blockchain project focuses on the SaaS sector with a set programmable through a smart contract. And as we know, the bond market is a very big market, so I think this case can give people some thoughts. And so here are some reasons why you should choose Bytom to build apps and to develop. The first one is the UTXO model, which is well known among all Bitcoin users that Bitcoin use UTXO model too, but Bytom modified it with BUTXO model, which is more useful too. The second part is universal address format. It's compatible with multiple address formats. The third is the naming asset is based on the auditing system. All the issued assets have a standardized management mechanism. The fourth part is the separation of data from signatures. And also it's developer friendly for develop smart contracts. The last one is we focus on the field of assets circulations. So Bytom is a public chain platform that focuses on the assets field especially. So it's very suitable for bonds such as assets, equities, securities to be issued. So here's a project example diagram. You can take a further look. And here's the system module. To explain the first example, the web front end is developed using the HTML and CSS, JavaScript, which heavily uses JS to access Bytom. Users will access Bytom IPFS and Node.js servers through this front-end application. And Bytom will be a SQL of the decentralized application. all the code like trigger contract, fund custody contract, and transaction are stored in the chain, which includes the companies identifying issuing bonds contracts transactions and users purchase bonds transactions. And the MongoDB, which is also although the code data is stored in the blockchain, in order to facilitate user management, a large number of transaction matching orders, as well as some non-code data such as message, notifications, are stored using the MongoDB database. Ensure that data can be managed and analyzed. And the Node.js servers, the backend server, we will use it to provide a front-end REST style API to handle business servers, and also use it to respond to requests for static pages on the front end. And the APFS is one the company uploads its company's basic information, business data sheets, and audited statements to APFS. It will return with the hash of the uploaded information and save the hash value of the uploaded file on Bytom. Here's a more detailed part of the system architecture diagram. You can take a look at the 1, 8, and 3. These three parts are enterprises, user registration, and ID verification. The enterprises uploads the audited information to IPFS. The user registration information will be written to MongoDB. And you can take a look at the 9, 6, and 5. After the company uploads the audited information, it will be connected to the information of the enterprises itself. Then build smart contract transactions and manual audits. If it gets approved, then the bonds can be issued. You can take a look at the number 4. The system interacts with the blockchain and treats the bonds according to the transaction information on the chain. And the last, you take a look at the 2, 1, and 7. Those are for display information, mainly includes the bond circulation records, other message display, and display of contract transaction information on the blockchain. So here is what you need to do is prepare for the development by building a node. Here are the data, so you can use it directly. If you need it, you can send us a message and we can copy it, paste it to you. And here are the related links you may need to take a further look. The first one is the Bytom documents, and the second one is how to build the MongoDB and how to build the IPFS. The last one is how to build Bytom DB, which you will be used in lots of application scenarios. Thank you again for watching us the AMA session 2, and you can follow us Twitter Bytom Official for further information, or you can email us if you want to participate, or if you have any questions about this Bytom development challenge. Or you can also message me on Telegram. This is more convenient for you. So here's the end of our AMA session 2, and we're going to have a last AMA session. And the time will be informed on our Twitter later on. Thank you for watching.